Welcome to our comparison of two popular AMD motherboards, the ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 and the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're building a budget-friendly system or a high-performance gaming rig, we've got you covered. The ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 features the AMD B450 chipset, which is suitable for budget builds and supports Ryzen processors. However, it lacks the advanced capabilities of the newer B550 chipset found in the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming. The B550 chipset supports PCIe 4.0, offering faster data transfer rates and better future-proofing for high-performance components. This makes the ASUS motherboard a more appealing option for gamers and enthusiasts looking for cutting-edge technology. When it comes to form factor, the ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 is a micro ATX motherboard, making it compact and suitable for smaller cases. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming is an ATX motherboard, which offers more expansion slots and features but requires a larger case. Depending on your build and space constraints, the choice of form factor can significantly impact your overall system design. Price is a crucial factor for many buyers. The ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 is priced at an attractive $79, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming comes with a higher price tag of $159, reflecting its premium features and performance capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and whether you prioritize cost savings or advanced features. In conclusion, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 is perfect for budget builds, while the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming is tailored for gamers and enthusiasts seeking high performance. Choose based on your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.